Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI and its sweeping influence on jobs and healthcare. AI isn't just a thing of science fiction anymore, it's right here, revolutionizing our everyday lives. First off, let's talk about the job market. AI is making waves, automating tasks that used to require a human touch. Ever noticed how your emails are sorted or how your online shopping recommendations are spot on? Yep, that's AI at work. But it doesn't stop there. From self-driving cars to automated factories, AI is shaking up industries and transforming jobs. Now you might be wondering, what does this mean for us? The reality is some jobs are at risk of becoming obsolete. Routine tasks in areas like data entry, customer service, and even some medical diagnostics are being taken over by intelligent machines. It sounds a bit scary, right? But before you panic, let's remember that AI also creates new opportunities. New tech needs humans to manage and innovate, so while some jobs disappear, new ones emerge. All right, now let's pivot to healthcare, where AI is making incredible strides. Imagine a world where AI can predict health issues before they become critical. By analyzing vast amounts of patient data, AI can identify patterns and risk factors for conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. This means early intervention and personalized treatment plans tailored just for you. Generative AI is particularly exciting. It can enhance diagnostic accuracy by analyzing medical images and generating treatment suggestions. Think about how much this can improve patient outcomes. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are risks and challenges too. For one, accuracy is a big deal. AI-generated results need to be verified by professionals to avoid mistakes. Trust is another hurdle. For AI to be successful in healthcare, both professionals and patients need to trust the technology. This means clear communication about AI's capabilities and limitations. Let's not forget about bias. AI systems can sometimes reflect biases present in their training data. This could lead to disparities in healthcare delivery, affecting diagnosis and treatment. To counter this, it's crucial to use diverse and representative datasets. Regulation is another piece of the puzzle. Ensuring AI tools are safe and effective involves a balancing act between innovation and patient safety. Regulatory bodies like the MHRA play a vital role here, but they face challenges keeping up with the fast-paced AI landscape. So, what's the future of AI in healthcare? It's all about building trust and providing the right training. If healthcare professionals and patients feel confident in using AI, the possibilities are endless. We could see a more efficient, personalized, and proactive healthcare system. In conclusion, AI is transforming our world in profound ways. While it poses challenges, it also offers incredible opportunities. From revolutionizing job markets to advancing healthcare, AI is a powerful tool that, if used responsibly, can significantly improve our lives. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content on the tech that's shaping our future. See you next time. And follow this page, All Things Imagined.